Okay. Well, this is Cody. And this is Wilson. This is me. My wild hairdo this morning. Haven't even got to bed yet. Look at this beautiful dog. Look at him. Oh, he's so such a good boy. If anybody needs a good, lovable dog. Yes, this is Cody Odie. Him a blind rescue dog. Yeah, him a good boy. Him's a good boy. Let's see what I got to keep me company, thank God. Back is killing me today. So tried to get some money yesterday from the mailbox, but it wasn't there, so a friend of ours gave us some dog food. Yeah, so you puppies wouldn't starve to death. So we got plenty of dog food now, and this one needs to be on a house and home. Oh, yes, you my babies. Yes. See, we don't let dogs starve here in the mountains, do we? No, we don't let doggies starve here in the mountains. No, we just don't do that. Get away from my phone. You chew up my phone, I'm going to be really pissed off. Yes, that denotes a severe punishment if you chew up my phone cords. No, stop it. Go on. You're overwhelming. Ugh. So it's rough being chronically sick all the time. But the only advantage is you get to get up whenever you want to. If you can. You can't always do it. Some days I can't even get out of bed because I'm just crippled. You leave my phone alone. I ain't playing with you. No. Do not chew up my phone cord. No. He's a good dog, but he likes to chew, so if anybody wants him, you can have him. But he's a good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy. Well, I love you, everybody. Hope you're having a great day.